First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 10 on the topic ratio and proportion, so now we are going to solve some of the questions that is based on the concept called mixture. So listen here, in the previous video, and this lesson number 10 will be the last lesson on the topic ratio and proportion. But previous video, that is lesson number 9, I have told that will be the last lesson on the topic ratio and proportion. So why? Because I actually plan to post only 8 lessons on the topic ratio and proportion. In the previous video itself, I have told I am not going to teach the mixture concept in ratio and proportion. Why? Because that mixture, alligation and mixture concept is the vast syllabus where I can't able to cover in just 20 minutes. So that's the reason I have already posted a separate video on the topic alligation and mixture in my YouTube channel, because this topic alligation and mixture is a separate topic on quantitative aptitude. So here we are going to learn only the basics. So that's the reason I plan to close only up to lesson number 9. But why I am teaching this in lesson number 10? Because in the previous video I have told you after learning all the videos, I write the practice test. So there I have given 440 questions only on the topic ratio and proportion. But out of that 440 questions, where 30 questions only from the topic alligation and mixture I have given. But where students can't able to solve the question, they are making mistakes there. So that's the reason I thought of making it as a lesson number 10, that is a separate concept called alligation and mixture. So before writing the test, don't forget to learn this alligation and mixture, as well as go to my YouTube channel, check the playlist, or else in the website I have given a separate video. I have posted a separate video on the topic alligation and mixture, so don't forget to learn that. So now let me move on to some of the basic question that is on the concept called mixture. Question number 1. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. So if 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4:5. So find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So our target is to find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So the complete question concept is based on alligation and mixture. Why? Because usually this concept is easy to find, because in the question itself they will give you some sort of mixture contains water and milk, or some sort of mixture contains water and alcohol. So it's kind of a mixture concept, right? It is easy to solve. If you know the basics of ratio proportion, you can easily solve all the question. But there are some formulas here to solve that alligation and mixture question. But now I am not going to teach all those formulas. We can learn the formulas in that video, separate video. So here we can learn only the basics to solve the question on the topic alligation and mixture. So here you can be able to see a mixture contains alcohol and water, right? So alcohol and the water ratio has been 4:3. So now 5 liters of water is added in the mixture. So in this mixture, where 5 liters of water is added, not alcohol is added, 5 liters of water is added, you can't directly add 5 here. So why? Because they have given these two values in terms of ratio, but this value in terms of numbers. So what you can do here is, in that mixture, so alcohol will be 4x and the water will be 3x. So now alcohol, we can keep the alcohol value as it is. Why? Because they are not going to add alcohol extra here. They are just going to add only water 5 liters. So out of this 3x ratio, where water is added, that is 5 liters of water is added. So now the ratio becomes 4:5. So only because of adding the water of 5 liters, the ratio becomes 4:5, that is 4/5. So now our target is to find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So in the previous 8th lesson and 7th lesson, I have told you how to frame this equation. So no, here we are not going to learn, we are not learning this newly. We have already learned this in lesson number 7 and lesson number 8. So how to write this equation. So same thing I have applied here, right? So here where alcohol ratio, we can keep it as it is, but only 5 liters of water is added. So in the water part, that is 3x, where 5 liters of water is added, so that the ratio becomes 4:5. So we can write it as 4/5. So cross multiply, this becomes 20x is equal to 12x plus 20. So this will be 8x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20/8. So we can cancel it on 4 table. So if you cancel it on 4 table, this becomes 5/2. So the value of x is equal to 5/2. But our target is to find what is the alcohol quantity. So alcohol quantity will be 4x. So x is equal to 5/2. So when you cancel it, this becomes 10. So finally we can say that So alcohol will be 10 liters. So out of then the mixture, in the mixture we initially it contains 4:3 will be alcohol and water ratio. So now our target is to find only the alcohol quantity. So alcohol quantity, all the values they have given in terms of liters. So we can say that alcohol quantity will be 10 liter. So this will be the answer for question number 1. Understood or not? It's very easy, right? Here we are not going to learn any new concepts, nothing. Just the concepts what we learnt previously we are going to apply here. That's it. These are the stuff we already learnt. So only thing here is in this alligation and mixture, there are some new concepts will be applied here to solve the question. So all those new concepts, formulas and the tricky methods we can learn on the separate video. So here we are going to learn only the basics of ratio proportion that to apply in the mixture concept to solve the question. Got it? So answer for question number 1 where the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture will be 10 liters. Question number 2. So in two alloy A and B, the ratio of zinc to tin is 5:2 and 3:4 respectively. So 7 kg of alloy A and 21 kg of alloy B are mixed together to form a new alloy. So what will be the ratio of zinc and tin in the new alloy? So our target is to find what is the ratio of zinc and tin in the new alloy after mixing the 7 kg of first alloy A and the 21 kg of second alloy B. Right? Very interesting question. So just see here, two alloys A and B. Alloy is nothing but a metal, right? A metal, a rod. Let me keep it as a metal. So metal, okay. So metal frame. So in this metal frame, there are a material which has two ratio, that is zinc to tin. So zinc and tin in a ratio that is 5:2. So similarly, the second alloy, right? So we can keep this as alloy A and alloy B, right? So in this alloy B, where zinc and tin is in the ratio how much? 3:4. So now what they are saying is, from this alloy A where 7 kg has been taken, so from this alloy B where 21 kg has been taken, so that 7 kg of zinc and tin and 21 kg of zinc and tin are both mixed together to form that third alloy C. So our target is to find in the new mixture what will be the zinc and tin ratio. So friends, very interesting question. A simple concept here, just listen here. We know that zinc is how much? 5 parts, right? In that alloy A I am saying zinc is how much? 5 part. So 2 part is what? Tin. So out of total 7 part, just listen here, 5 plus 2, 7, right? So 5 plus 2 will be 7. So out of 7 part, so 5 part will be zinc, yes or no? So similarly, out of 7 part, 2 part will be tin. Similarly, the second alloy B. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. So out of 7 part, where 3 part is what? 3 part will be zinc. So similarly, out of 7 part, where 4 part will be tin. Understood or not? How I wrote this value, right? Out of total, so how much part is zinc? Out of total, how much part is tin? For the second alloy also. Now, in the first alloy, how much kg has been taken? 7 kg. So 7 kg, 7 kg. So out of this 7 kg, similarly out of 7 kg from tin has been taken. So cancel it. So now 5 kg of zinc. So here cancel 2 kg of alloy. That is tin, right? So 2 kg of tin and 5 kg of zinc. So similarly, in this second alloy, how much kg has been taken? 21 kg. So 21 into 21, right? So can you able to understand it? Why I am multiplying by 21? You know that in a classroom, if there are 5:4 students, what we usually do? So out of 940 students, so 5:4 is the boys and girls ratio. How will you calculate only boys? So you will write 5 by 9 into 940. The same way I am writing here is, so 21 kg. So out of this 21 kg, total 7 part, out of this 7 part, 3 part will be zinc. Understood or not? So now when you cancel this 3 into 3 will be 9. So 9 kg will be zinc. So here 7 3 is at 21. So 12 kg will be tin. So understood? So now we know that from alloy B how many kg has been taken out? 21 kg. So in this total 21 kg where 9 kg will be zinc and the remaining 12 kg will be tin. So here from the first alloy how many kg has been taken? 7 kg. So in this 7 kg 5 kg will be zinc and 2 kg will be tin. Understood or not? So now we are going to add these two values to make a new alloy, that is mixture C. So there our target is to find what is the ratio. So we know that zinc is 5 kg. In the second thing, zinc is 9 kg. So 9 plus 5 will be 14, which is zinc ratio. So now tin. So here 12 kg will be tin on second alloy. So first alloy tin will be 2 kg. So 2 plus 12 will be 14. So 14 kg will be tin and 14 kg will be the zinc. So now we can cancel it 1:1. So finally we can say that, so in the new mixture, right, we can get the zinc and the tin is in the ratio 1:1. Understood or not, right? So I have solved this question very slowly. So try to understand the concept. It's not a new concept. It's the concept what we learnt already. That is, in a classroom, there are boys and girls in a ratio 5:4. Out of 340 students, if boys and girls are 5:4, how we usually find the boys? The same way I have applied here, right? So out of 21 kg, our target is to find how many kg of zinc is there and how many kg of tin is there. So that's the reason I have found how many kg of zinc and how many kg of tin in alloy B. So similarly in alloy A, and then I have added only the zinc value and tin value to find the new mixture ratio. So finally we got the answer as 1:1 will be the zinc and tin ratio in the new mixture. Third question. So zinc and copper are in a ratio 5:3 in 400 gram of alloy. So how much copper in gram should be added to make the ratio 5:4? So just see here, initially there is an alloy which contains zinc and copper. So zinc and copper is in how much ratio they have given? That is 5:3. So that alloy total capacity is also given, that alloy will contain 400 grams. Understood or not, right? So alloy which has 400 grams. So out of this 400 gram, where zinc and copper is in the ratio 5:3. So now our target is to find how much of copper, right? Not the zinc. How much of copper is to add with this material so that the ratio of zinc and copper becomes 5:4. So our target is to find how much copper is to be added so that the ratio should becomes 5:4. So just see here. So we already know that a alloy will contain 400 grams. Out of that 400 gram, where zinc and copper is 5:3. So now we can find how much zinc is there and how much copper is there in the gram out of this 400. Right? So we can say 5 plus 3 will be 8. So out of total 8 part, where 5 part will be zinc. So similarly, out of 8 part, where 3 part will be copper. And that alloy will contains how much? 400 grams. So total of 400 grams. So if you find in this way, we can easily find out of that 400 gram, how much zinc is there, how much copper is there. So now we can cancel it. So 50, 250. So 250 gram is what? Zinc, right? So similarly, when you cancel it 50, so remaining 150. So 150 gram is what? Copper. So zinc is 250 gram and copper is 150 gram. So now according to the question, how much copper is to be added? So zinc, we can keep it as it is, 250 gram divided by, so copper will be 150. So out of this 150, we have to add some grams of copper so that the ratio becomes 5/4. So finally we write this equation, right? So once we write this equation correctly, then you know how to solve the remaining parts. So now just cross multiply it. So if you cross multiply it, this becomes 1000, this equals to, so this becomes 0, 750, so plus 5x. So this becomes 250 is equals to 5x. So x is equals to 50. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 50. So which means, so out of this 150 gram of copper, if you add addition 50 grams here, so that the zinc and the copper will be in the ratio 5:4. So this will be the answer for question number 3. It's very easy, right? So all the stuff we have learned in the previous lesson, all the concepts. So only thing is we need to apply the concept here to solve the mixture question. That's it. So all the remaining parts are very simple. So finally answer for question number 3, where 50 grams of copper is to be added in the mixture so that the mixture will becomes the ratio of 5:4. Fourth question. So in a mixture of 3 varieties of tea, the ratio of their weights is 4:5:8. So if 5 kg of the first variety and 10 kg of the second variety and some kg, that is some quantity of tea of the third variety, are added to the mixture, so that the ratio of the 3 variety of tea becomes 5:7:9. So in the final mixture, the quantity of the third variety of tea was. So interesting question. First understand the concept what they are saying. So in the mixture of 3 varieties of tea, the weights will be 4:5:8, right? So let me take the first tea variety, weight is 4 ratio, and the second tea will be how much? 5 parts, and the third tea will be 8 parts. So now according to the question, what they are saying is if 5 kg of tea of the first variety, so from this 4x part where 5 kg of the first variety and 10 kg of the second variety and some quantity of tea of the third variety. We don't know how much quantity it is, right? What we can do is we keep it as 4x and this will be 5x and this will be 8x. So now according to the question, where they are creating a new mixture, right, from these 3 tea varieties, some kg of amount, right? So where 5 kg of tea in the first variety and 10 kg of tea in the second variety and some quantity of tea of the third variety are added to the mixture. So in this first mixture where 5 kg is added, so 4x plus 5, got it? So in the second variety, so how much kg is added? 10 kg is added, so 5x plus 8. So in the third variety, some quantity of mixture, that is some kg of tea has been added, but we don't know how much kg has been added. So let me keep that value as y. So don't keep the value as x. Why? Because already we kept the first kg, second kg, third kg tea variety as already x. So here we don't know how much kg has been added. So let me keep that value as y. Got it? So after adding the kg in this ratio, so now the new mixture of tea is in the ratio of 5:7:9. So our target is to find how much kg of variety has been added to the third tea. Got it? We need to find what is the value of y. So what we can do here is, in the third lesson and the second lesson I have told you this concept. If there are 3 ratio values, how you need to find the x value, or else if there are 4 ratio values, how to find the value of x. So take any 2, right? If I'm going to take these 2 values alone, and initially I can find the value of x, and then we can take these 2 values and then we can easily substitute what we already found, substitute in the value of x, we can find what is the value of y. Just see here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 values, first 2 values, that is 4x plus 5 divided by 5x plus 10 is equal to first 2 ratio, that is 5/7. Understood or not, right? So now I am going to cross multiply it and I am going to find what is the value of x. So if I cross multiply, this becomes 28, so 35, so 25x plus 50. So now this becomes 3x is equals to 15, so x is equal to 5. So finally we got the value of x is equals to 5. This is not the final answer, because our target is to find how much quantity of third variety has been added, that is y. So now we can take these 2 values. So when you take these 2 values, that is 5x plus 10, so divided by 8x plus y is equals to second and third ratio 7/9. So now we already got x is equal to 5. So substitute 5 here. So 5 into 5 will be 25. So 25 plus 10. So add 5 here, 8 into 5 will be 40 plus y is equals to 7/9. So this becomes 35 divided by 40 plus y is equals to 7/9. So we can cancel this, becomes 5 times. So 9 into 5 will be 45. So 45 is equals to 40 plus y. So y is equal to 45 minus 40 will be 5. So finally we got the value of y is equals to 5. So now read the question what they are asking in the final mixture, right? In the final mixture, that is out of 3 teas we are in the final mixture. So the quantity of the third variety of the tea was, our target is to find what is the quantity of the third variety. So third variety quantity is what? 8x plus y. So now we know that what is the value of x as well as we know what is the value of y. So while substituting all these values here, we can easily get what is the third variety of tea was, quantity of the third variety. So substitute here. So 8 into 5, so plus 5, because value of y will be 5. So 8 5s are 40. So 40 plus 5 will be 45. So finally we can say that the quantity of the third variety will be 45 kg. So which will be the answer for this question. Understood or not, right? So this is the most important part, right? This will be the most important part, and I have told you like how to apply these 2 areas, because in lesson number 2 I think so, I don't know exactly lesson 2 or lesson 3, but there I have told you like if there are 3 ratio values given or 4 ratio value given, how to find the value of x. The same concept I have applied here, initially to find the value of x and then to find the value of y. So after finding the value of x and y, our target is to find what is the total quantity of the third mixture alone. So if they ask the first mixture, it is enough to find only x. If they are asking like only the second mixture, it is enough to find the value of x. But they are asking the third mixture, so we have to find both x and y value. Got it? So this will be the answer for the last question, that is 45 kg. So once that's it about this video, that is on the topic mixture concept, last video on the topic ratio and proportion. So according to me, I would say this is not at all enough. You have to learn more, right? For if you are preparing for competitive exams, you have to practice more and you have to learn more. So you guys know that we have posted 10 videos on the topic ratio and proportion. That is more than enough for the competitive exams. So now you have to practice. So visit my website, what I have told you in the previous video, that is lesson number 9 itself. So visit my website, purchase the test series and start practicing all the questions on the topic ratio proportion. So practice is much needed to crack the questions in your competitive exams. So, and another important thing, don't forget to watch the alligation and mixture video what I have posted separately on my YouTube channel. So check the playlist, or else I will give you the card here. So click on it and start learn the alligation mixture topic. So that's it about this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.